Hello everybody, I'm just making a quick screencast to go through how you will export a DXF file for use with the laser cutter. So in front of me I have a drawing of somebody's clock design, and if for example you wanted to laser cut this part here in 4mm plywood, I'm going to show you how you go about getting the file ready to do that. So what you first need to do is activate the sketch that is in, and then you're going to select the part that you want, or the geometry of the part you want to laser cut. You're going to do Control C. You're going to open up a new drawing. You're going to create a new sketch, and you're going to paste that in and hit return. So you've got this just separate now, ready for converting. You go to the Design tab, Drawing, and from Design. It's going to ask you to save it. That's absolutely fine. I'm just going to save it as that for now. And then this box will appear. You press OK. And then you give it a moment and it will go over to the drawing interface in Fusion360. And once it's on to that interface, you simply need to click where you want to place your view. Click OK, and you then have the geometry of that line over here ready. Then all I recommend you do is delete this outside box. You don't need that. Then you can hit output here. You can hit output sheet as DXF, and then put that in the right folder that your teacher's told you to, and just save it as your name. Ready to go. And there you go. And that is how you do it. It's as easy as that. And then that file is ready for you to laser cut. Thank you.